this video I wanted to update you on some new orchids that I recently bought, because I've done the unboxing videos in Romanian, so I thought you would want to see exactly what is happening too. Here I have a beautiful Oncidium Twinkle. It is the same color from the one that I bought last year from Orchid Garden. That one was sick, it has died, so I wanted a replacement, and they have sent me this beautiful one. It has a lot of roots, the pseudobulbs are plump, and yeah, I am hoping it will produce, after it finishes these blooms, some new growths, and I will repot him then in semi-hydro. Here he is potted in a little basket. If I will there you go. So yeah, I hope he has roots, but anyway I won't disturb him until I see new growths that are pushing up new roots, because these new roots, the roots that are living in this pot, won't probably survive in semi-hydro, and he needs a new set of roots for that new environment. I really love the blooms. They're indeed beautiful. Here we have a beautiful Phalaenopsis orange peach. This is not a new orchid, but it's really pretty. African violet. This is another new orchid, a Zygopetalum rosy blue. Very pretty. The spike is curved on this stake. I think it's pretty, but it didn't face the same direction of light, so it is not properly arranged. Yeah, it is very healthy. It has this big pseudobulb, this other one which is not yet fully mature, but the leaves are huge, and it has a ton of fruits. I cannot wait to pot this one in semi-hydro. This is a Phalaenopsis from my mother, very pretty. The blooms are really colorful. Okay. And here we have a beautiful Vanda orchid. It's a kind of indigo bluish in color. It is quite healthy. It is in a glass vase, and I really like how it looks like. I will grow it like that. I will show you how. And it has quite a few blooms, and it's really pretty. I have an idea for her, but I cannot really remember it right now. And she is having a nap here. Oopsie. Yeah, and here I bought a new, or it is actually a gift. It is on Oncidium Lazio, very beautiful one, and it's very fragrant. I have repotted him yesterday in semi-hydro, because the medium he was in was really bad, and it was suffocating the roots. It actually had very little ones alive, so I decided to pot him up, and also because it has this new growth which is about to produce more roots, so I wanted the new roots to get established in semi-hydro, and I didn't know if they were snails in that pot or not, so I didn't want to risk anymore. I will see if I keep the spikes or not, depending if the orchid will produce new roots soon or not. She's so pretty and cute. So alright guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye!